Welcome friends. Today we discuss the subject mechanical working drawing for second year mechanical engineering. In this discussion we will cover the points of subject introduction, course outcome, teaching and examination scheme, practical syllabus, what are the provided by the MSBT, theory syllabus provided by the MSBT, and suggested specification for question paper design, and suggested learning resources and software and learning websites for the corresponding our discussion. This subject is mechanical working drawing and course code is given by MSBT is 22341. This is for I-Scheme syllabus, and this course is designed for mechanical engineering second year. In the first semester of second year means total third semester. This subject is designed for to develop engineering point of view the imagination with respect to the various solids and objects to view from different angles. This course will need outcomes from the students after completion the syllabus. Those are: first is the draw development of lateral surface of various solids. This CO is corresponds to the first chapter. In that they wants from the student, after learning this first chapter, student should able to develop the lateral surface of various solids. In that solids we will learn prism, cylinder, cone, etc. or hole maybe on these solids are given, and lateral surfaces they ask for these solids. Second is the draw intersection curves of different solids. In this chapter name was the intersection of solids. Different solids are there in engineering field. In that prism, cylinder, cone, etc. and these solids when intersect to each other, at that time their surfaces are meet together, and these meeting surfaces create one common line. This common line says as a intersection curves or intersection line. This will be studied in this chapter. Third one is the use various drawing codes, conventions and symbols as per IS SP 46. In drawing purpose, drawing is the phase before the production comes. At that time this drawing should give detailed information regarding the production. Means this drawing is also known as a production drawing, and for that purpose different drawing codes and conventions and symbols are needed to learn, which are universally accepted, and these are standards. This is as per IS SP 46. And next CO is the draw production drawings used to produce products. Production drawing means what? Production drawing is a drawing on that all the tolerances, the drawing codes, conventions, symbols are given for manufacturing and production point of view. This drawing is known as a production drawing. And last is the draw assembly and detailed drawing of products. Students should able to draw assembly drawing from the details or detailed drawing from the assembly. This is the last two chapters, details to assembly and assembly to details in your syllabus. So what is teaching scheme is designed for this chapter is this subject having total 3 lectures weekly and 4 hour practical per batch weekly, and total 100 marks theory paper. In that end semester exam having 70 marks and progressive assessment for theory 30 marks. In that progressive assessment 1 unit test for 20 marks and 10 marks for micro project. Student should submit this particular semester, and total theory paper duration is 4 hours, and practical scheme total 50 marks for end semester examination, which is internally taken, and practical progressive assessment for 50 marks, which is on your practical basis, means drawings, sheets and assignment sketches. Next, MSBT should provided one practical list. In that they given on sheet number 1 for unit number 1 development of surfaces. In that they says first sheet was develop surfaces of solids like cube, prisms, cylinders and pyramids, and development of surfaces of solids like pyramid and cones, and these two are from unit first development of surfaces. Sheet number 2 on intersection of solid. In that they says total 4 sheets you will take, but this is not compulsory to take all 4 sheets. Last I will say how much practicals or how much sheets will you take for your practical purpose. Third sheet on the conventional representation as per SP 46. In that they also given you can take 3 sheets on it. On sheet number 4 total 3 sheets are given in your syllabus, and this is on tolerances, means on production drawing. In that geometrical tolerances, welding symbols, surface roughness and machining symbols on given figures and tables. These all the geometrical tolerances and various symbols given on drawing, and how to given it on drawing and what are its meanings we will learn here. Next, sheet number 5 on the develop production drawing. In that we will do actual one production drawing which is used for production. In that production drawing all geometrical tolerances, surface finishes, symbols are required. If these all available on the drawing, then and then only this drawing is known as a production drawing. Next, sheet number 6 is on draw assembly drawing from given detail view. They will give you one detailed drawing. On that drawing you can draw a assembly drawing. In this drawing also you should give all the conventional representation, geometrical and dimensional tolerances and various symbols. And last one is the sheet number 7. On that you will draw a detailed drawing from given assembly. Sheet number 6 and sheet number 7 are both are vice versa, means in sheet number 6 they ask for assembly drawing for detail, and in sheet number 7 they ask for detailed drawing from assembly drawing. Total 32 list of practicals they are given, but in this syllabus they are mentioned you will take or you will complete minimum 12 sheets, 12 practicals, but they are judicial mix. They are from judicial mix. Then and then only you should complete this term work. Means what? म्हणजे समजा तुम्ही 12 प्रॅक्टिकल आपल्याला कमीत कमी घ्यायचे आहे आणि ते ज्युडिशियल मिक्स मध्ये घ्यायचे. ज्युडिशियल मिक्स म्हणजेच काय, तर या सब्जेक्टला आपल्याला न्याय देऊन घ्यायचा आहे ते, म्हणजे सगळे पॉइंट सगळा सिलेबस त्यामध्ये कव्हर व्हायला पाहिजे. आणि जर कव्हर होत असेल तर त्यालाच आपण म्हणणार आहे ज्युडिशियल मिक्स म्हणणार आहे. म्हणजे पहिल्या 5 चॅप्टर वरती आपण 12 शीट कंप्लीट केले, शेवट चॅप्टर कन्सिडर केला नाही असं होता कामा नये. सगळ्या चॅप्टर वरचा सिलेबस कव्हर करून आपल्याला कमीत कमी 12 घ्यायचे. 12 पेक्षा किती जास्त घेतलं तरी चालतंय. नेक्स्ट, थेरी सिलेबस ओव्हरव्ह्यू आपण बघायचा आहे या ठिकाणी. इन दॅट युनिट फर्स्ट डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ सरफेसेस, म्हणजे या ठिकाणी आपल्याला एक सॉलिड दिला असेल, तो सॉलिड लॅटरल सरफेस मध्ये लॅटरल व्ह्यू त्याचा कसा दिसणार आहे हे आपण या ठिकाणी बघणार आहे. इन दॅट डेव्हलपमेंट्स ऑफ लॅटरल सरफेसेस ऑफ क्यूब, प्रिझम्स, सिलेंडर्स, पिरामिड्स, कोन्स we will learn here, and applications of development of surfaces such as tray, funnel, etc. we will learn here. Second chapter is the intersection of solid. In that, curves of intersection of surface of the regular solids in the cases, prism with prism, in that triangular prism, square, cylinder with cylinder, square with prism, etc. we will learn here. In that the axis of these solids are at 90 degree and bisecting, or the axes are at 90 degree and offset. Both cases we will see here. And another solid is the cylinder with cone, means vertical cylinder and vertical cone and horizontal cylinder we will learn here. When axis of cylinder is parallel to both the reference planes and cone resting on base on HP with axis intersecting and offset from axis of cylinder. This case we'll learn here. After that, the common features like slotted head, ribs, radial ribs, knurling, serrated shaft, splined shaft, ratchet and pinion, repeated parts, square on shaft we will learn here. And this was in chapter number 3, unit number 3, conventional representation. In this conventional representation, all types of symbols and conventions we will learn here, and all are as per the IS SP 46988. And next chapter is the production drawing. In the production drawing, we will learn all limit fit tolerances, definition, introduction of IS system for tolerances, dimensional tolerances, and all types of terminology used in dimensional tolerances, and tolerancing and limit system. What is the unilateral and bilateral system? What is hole based system? What is shaft based system? Types of fits. All we are learn here. And simple calculation of limit sizes and identification of type of fit from the given sizes we will learn here. Geometrical tolerances also we learn here. Types of geometrical tolerances, terminology for deviation, representation of geometrical tolerance on drawing. All these are study here. Next point is the general welding symbols, length and size of weld, surface counter and finish of weld, all round and sight weld, symbolic representation in engineering, practices and its interpretation. This all part we will learn here. And last part of this unit is the machining symbols and surface texture. All the machining symbols and surface texture we will learn here, and representation of surface roughness on the drawing we will learn here. Second last chapter is the details to assembly drawing. In this they should provide detailed drawing and ask you for assembly. Means you can make assembly from detailed drawing. In that we will learn the Oldham's and universal coupling on and bearing. In that bearing, roller bearing, footstep bearing, pedestal bearing, and related to lathe machine, single and square tool post we will learn here. How to make assembly of these, and different vices we learn here. We make it assembly on drawing. In that bench wise, pipe wise, screw jack, different valves. In that steam stop valve, non-return valve, piston and connecting rod of IC engine we will make assembly here. And tailstock of lathe, drilling jig, or instead of that any other assembly consisting of 6 to 10 parts. म्हणजेच या ज्या तुम्हाला दिलेले आहेत मॉडेल्स दिलेले आहेत, हे मॉडेल सोडून, हे पार्ट सोडून तुम्हाला याच्या व्यतिरिक्त अशी असेंब्ली दिली जाऊ शकते की ज्याच्यामध्ये 6 किंवा 10 इथपर्यंत पार्ट असू शकतात. हेच पार्ट तुम्हाला असतील असं नाही आहे, याच्यापेक्षा वेगळे सुद्धा असू शकते. And last is the assembly to details. In that same syllabus as compared to details to assembly, but in this chapter they will ask for assembly from the details. Next, suggested specification table for question paper design. For your 70 marks theory paper will design as per this table, this specification. In that first chapter, development of surfaces, having 8 marks, and on this chapter they will ask for 8 mark question on analysis level. Here this is the remember type question, this is understanding type question, and this is a analysis type question. Second chapter is of intersection of solids, and this is having a 14 marks, and this chapter will be asked you for 14 marks for analysis type only. Third chapter, conventional representation, this is having a 6 marks, and all these 6 marks is asked for the remember type of questions. Next unit is the production drawing. This chapter is for 10 marks. On that, 2 marks for remember level and 8 marks for understanding level. Fifth chapter is details to assembly. This is having 16 marks. On that, 12 marks for analysis type and 4 marks for understanding type. And sixth chapter, assembly to details, is for 16 marks, same as per fifth topic, 12 marks for analysis type and 4 marks for understanding type. This is total 17 marks your syllabus. This is the some suggested learning resources from given by the MSBTA. If you want to learn better, you should go through these learning resources. Local books is also available, but you should go through these learning resources, then you can get good knowledge from this subject. And lastly, software learning and websites. Which are the softwares and learning websites are available on YouTube and internet? This is your subject point of view. They are also provided by the MSBT. This subject is very important for mechanical engineer because drawing is the language of engineer. Engineer can speak one to other through this drawing. So this is the very important, and drawing is the stage before the production. That's why drawing is very important as per mechanical engineer student career point of view. Thank you friends. To get latest videos and notification, please like, subscribe and press bell icon of our YouTube channel. Thank you.